Hey everybody! In this video I'm going to install the third floor and the third floor walls of the Spring Run kit. Before I do that though, I'm installing the remaining wall on the second floor that I had forgotten about. I decided to install the front door wall at this time because I feel like it will help me in placing the third floor on correctly. I'm using clamps to keep the wall aligned with the other one, and you could also use masking tape, but sometimes I find that the clamps work a little bit better. Three to 4 hours later, I'm removing all the clamps. I'm doing a dry fit just to confirm the placement of the third floor and walls, and I'm taping the front wall in place to help align the floor. The second and third floors fit into the grooves of the front wall. And now I'm ready to glue, and I'm using Aleene's Tacky Glue. The directions say to install the floor first, but I just feel like I want to get the walls in now. I continue to use the square to make sure the walls are straight, and the clamps are keeping the walls together tightly. You can't see it from this angle, but I'm gluing a small piece at the back and using masking tape to keep it in place. The next day I'm removing the tape and the clamps and placing the roof on just to make sure everything is lined up properly. After I remove the front wall, I'm ready to glue on the floor. It needs to be flush with the exterior walls. And now I'm putting the front wall back on so the third floor can fit into those grooves, and I'm taping it in place. Now I'm adding weights to weigh down the floor, and I'm wiping away the excess glue. I removed the weights the next morning, and now the third floor is complete. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe.